Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing the E90 chassis mounted wing on my BMW, which is the first ever made for E90 chassis frame. First in the world, first person to do it. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright guys, to remove the bash bar, you have to remove these big screws. There's going to be 1, 2, and then 1 on the bottom, which makes 3 right there. Okay, once you remove those 3 and those 3, that's 6 in total. You remove those, the bash bar comes completely out. Then we install the brand new swan neck bracket bar that's in there onto the car and proceed with the build. Okay. It kind of worries me that they're not on pretty tight, because they should be pretty tight, but the fact that they're not kind of worries me. It's a lot easier if you have one of these. Pull them out. Sorry, it's already loose. The new bracket isn't here, so I'm gonna pull that out real quickly. If I can find the right one, we'll pull it out. But there's a lot of stuff in this box. There it is. That's the bash bar. It's gonna go on the car. So, when you remove all these plastics on the edges, give you guys a better view of what it is we're trying to do here. If you see that little swirl? So that swirl is for when the wing goes on the thing, you can slide the wing, slide it back, so you can open the trunk, so you don't lose accessibility to the trunk. Which is why Battle Arrow caught my attention with this build. It's a huge difference. And it goes in just like that. All we have to do now is put the screws back on there. The original same screws you used at the beginning. Don't use different ones. They might have different ones already in the box, in a hardware box. But I wasn't really looking at the box to be so honest with you guys. This will save so much time and effort. I'm just going through. That's the bracket. Like I said, these things are gonna stick out from the bumper, which means we're gonna have to cut the bumper on there and there. These are the boomerang tips I picked. I went with the boomerang ones because I like these better. There you go. Moment of truth. Look at that. That's a swan neck I was telling you guys about. It goes up on top. So the spoiler, instead of hooking on the bottom like the traditional spoiler, it's gonna hook on. This is gonna be on top. Spoiler goes here, sticks up to there. Alright guys, so the hardest part about this entire build, I would have to say, would be cutting the bumper, because you have to cut the bumper where the chassis wing comes up, and you have to cut it as right here and then go down so it sticks out properly, and you have to kind of locate the bumper over it to where you think it goes perfectly in, and then cut straight down this way and straight down that way. But when you install this wing, you are not going to have access to the rear tow hitch, because the rear tow hitch is actually on the original bash bar right here. So removing the original bash bar eliminates the tow hitch for the rear of the car. You lose this accessibility. I don't know if it's even fucking centered. I'm kind of going based off what I think it should sit at, but you won't really know until you start cutting, right? How far you're gonna cut, so I suggest you tape off quite a bunch of the bumper. And the reason you tape off the bumper is so you don't damage the paint. It's gonna cut the tape and then push in the paint. If you don't put the tape, you'll hit the bumper and you might chip the bumper up and might peel the paint off. But if you put tape, it won't peel off that part of the bumper. it'll keep it flat and flush to where it's supposed to be. When you're using these, you always want to make sure that the blade is not bigger than the guard that's on there, because if it's bigger than the guards on there, you could possibly break it and it could hit you in the face and you will die. Blade's bigger than the guard, don't do it. If there's no guard, do not use the thing, because you might hurt yourself. It was for trial and error. We're there. We cut where we want it to be. Well, it worked. Like I said, I just put the bumper against this and the inside, drew it from the inside up, and it fit. Basically, it fit perfectly on there. You know, just, yeah, perfectly on there. Alright guys, so I ended up putting the brackets on because I ran into a problem where there's supposed to be a bolt right there that lets you go up, and then a bottom bolt that just like clips in and out. I don't have the bottom piece, so it's like I might have to go buy one myself. They didn't send it to me. I don't know. Again, this is the first one ever built for this car, so I expected something, you know. Alright guys, I didn't record this part, me putting these on, because I don't know how to do it. There's no instructions, so I skipped it because I don't want to give you guys wrong information or the wrong way to do it, and then you guys end up messing up your guys' car. So I don't know how to do that part. I called Battle Arrow, and I don't know if, I think I'm missing a couple like parts. Something that goes on the bottom screw that locks it in place and lets you pull the pin out in and out. But it looks amazing, bro. Looks amazing. So the part that I skipped, I ended up just bolting these just with full impact. These are fully impacted on the car, so they're not coming off. So for now, my trunk is permanently stuck closed. This one, you install a tiny little screw in the middle. From both sides, you screw it from the back to the front. You screw it from here, which is the outer hole right here, and it goes up diagonally to this hole. See? Same on the other side. From the second hole, diagonally to the bottom hole. And it fits actually right snug against the car. The top part, you can put it however, the top part you can do however you want to do it. You can put it from 1 being like more straighter, and then 2 being angled, and 3 being super angled. The front as well. You can put the front up or down. I put it at the lowest possible setting for the front. Same for this one. At its lowest possible setting for the front. And then the medium setting for the back, so its sides are also bolted on. Screw them here, 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 vice versa on that side. And then you have to put the sticker. You don't have to, but I put it. So those are bolted on until I hear back from Battle Arrow about what's missing from the package. I will adjust that and make it more swayable so I can have access to the trunk. Right now I think they forgot something, so I gotta wait for that. But it looks amazing, dude. It is exactly the mirror length from the mirror, exactly to the bumper, a little less. But I got it like that way because, again, I have plans for the side of this car. So expect something. Can't tell you guys what it is, but so if there's something that I missed that you guys see that's done that I didn't cover in the video, comment down below and I will answer it in the video. Comment down below, I'll answer it in the comments.
Yeah. Yeah.